In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scrolling effect with fixed elements in your design project. Imagine having a website or an app interface where certain important elements like headers or footers stay visible even as you scroll through the rest of the content. This technique can significantly enhance user experience by ensuring that navigation or action buttons are always accessible. Let's dive into how you can achieve this effect within your design software. First things first, you'll want to either create a new artboard or open an existing one. Make sure this artboard contains content that extends beyond the initial screen view, making it scrollable. This setup is essential as it allows the scrollable effect to come into play. In your property inspector, you'll find an option labeled Scrolling. To enable vertical scrolling and ensure you have the desired effect, you'll need to set this option to vertical. Alternatively, if your design calls for multi-directional scrollability, you can choose both. This tells your system where and how scrolling should occur on the artboard. Next, it's crucial to specify the viewport height. This setting determines how much of your artboard is visible at any time, essentially defining where the scrolling begins. By setting the viewport height, your artboard's content will extend beyond the visible area, creating that necessary overflow for a scroll. This step is a key part of the setup because it sets the stage for dynamic interaction within your design. Now, let's move on to making those important elements, like a header bar, footer, or even a floating action button, remain in view as users scroll. To do this, first, select the element that you want to be fixed in position. Once you've selected it, navigate back to the property inspector. You'll find an option or checkbox that says Fix Position when scrolling. Checking this box ensures that the element stays put, while the rest of your content flows freely beneath it. A small but crucial tip: make sure the fixed element is positioned above other layers in the Layers panel. This is important for visual hierarchy and ensures that your fixed element actually appears on top of the scrolling content. It's all about how the layers overlap in your design, so paying attention to layer order can make a big difference in how your final setup looks. Finally, it's time to test everything by previewing your design. Use the desktop preview function and take a moment to scroll down your artboard. You should see that while most of your content moves as you scroll, your fixed elements like the header or buttons remain nicely in place, exactly where you want them. And there you go. That's how you create a beautiful, scrollable design with elements that stay put, enhancing both the form and function of your digital experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.